Welcome to 4104 Pin Oak in Five Oaks in Durham, just on the Chapel Hill Durham border. This is the largest unit on Pin Oak, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, including also a sunroom. It does have a 1-car garage. Let's go inside. There is a lovely walkway with flowers and foliage on the way to the front. Look how long this unit is. Welcome. As you come inside, you can hang your coat in the front hall closet. There is a separate dining area. Lovely view off the side. The primary bedroom is on the left. We'll go in there in a moment. And here is the very spacious living room with marble surround fireplace. It is a wood-burning fireplace. The space is open to the kitchen with all new appliances, quartz countertop. There is a new backsplash also installed. And if we zip around this way, there's room for a little high top. We zip around this way, look, there's even a wine fridge. Connected to the living room is the sunroom. Beautiful space, open, gorgeous blinds. And there's a patio out back with the grill that stays and also a storage unit. So we'll go on into the primary bedroom. This also has a vaulted ceiling, just like the sunroom. Window out to the back. Spacious room. You have one sink right here. The closet is here on the left. And then the attached bathroom to the primary bedroom. And the sinks and cabinetry have been updated, as well as the flooring in the bath. The carpeting is 5 years new, but has never been used. And we do have Pergo, very durable flooring throughout the rest of the unit. As we go down the hall, that's the front door on the left, the closet on the right, the washer dryer closet on the left. This is the second of 3 bedrooms. We have a closet there on the right. This is a linen closet. This is the third of 3 bedrooms. This is on the front. There's the closet. And then here at the end of the hallway is the bath. Also, again, with new mirror. It has a new cabinet, sink. So this unit has been renovated throughout the years. And here on the right at the end of the hallway is the 1-car garage. There's also a storage closet right there, and the second refrigerator does stay.